Apple, the tech company known for its sleek design and high-quality goods, might have some fan favorites. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Founded in 1976, the Cupertino tech giant has spent decades reshaping how the world works, plays, and stays connected with its products, and iPhone is one of them. No product symbolizes Apple's influence more than the iPhone. Released in 2007, the iPhone soon became a pocket computer, entertainment hub, and lifestyle essential. And when Apple introduced the iPad in 2010, many dismissed it as an oversized iPhone. Yet, it became the world's first truly successful tablet, filling the gap between laptops and smartphones, and now its sales peaking at $31.9 billion. The Mac has also been part of Apple since the very beginning, and while the iPhone dominates revenue, the Mac remains a cornerstone of the company's brand. It's a top pick for professionals, and its M1 to the latest M4 chip deliver performance and efficiency. Apple launched its watch in 2014, seen only as a fashion accessory at first, but today it's one of the world's most popular wearables with features like heart rate monitoring, ECG scans, blood oxygen tracking, and fall detection. And last, its AirPods, which were mocked for their unusual design, but quickly became a global hit, selling over 82 million units. Which is your favorite Apple product? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.